Alright people, this is my G37, the S package. Bought it not too long ago. So it's a salvage title, but I got it for a good deal. So I was doing the full inspection. Of course, it needed the brakes, the rotors changed, had the rotor, the wobble. I changed the front upper control on both sides. That the driver's side was really just loose already, but I just went ahead and did both. So I inspected the frame, looked at the Carfax. Nothing, no major accidents on the Carfax. It just had a few moderate and minors. So the only damage that I pretty much noticed, the driver's side has a shift on the I don't know if it's called the subframe, the front part. So what the person that I guess you could say fixed it to sell it, pretty much swap it, to flip it. So it's a small bend right here. I'm pretty low on that straight. So when I got it, they didn't have latches for a reason. It's supposed to be on this hole, but since it's shifted like half an inch, I had to make another hole here to let this fully close. Now it works. The filter, it was throwing the MAP sensor light on the check engine. Well, the filter wasn't even closed to the gap, so I had to bring it out, had to cut the bottom of the filter box and I guess fabricate temporary bracket. But now it's working good. Put some K&Ns on it. It's working real nice. But now on the rear, the front, everything, I could live with that. It runs good. I could live with that little shift there. So what I found in the back, man, it looked like shit, but I noticed that the back was lower on the driver's side, like an inch. So I thought it was the usual. Over the years, it just starts sagging, but when I was changing the brakes and the rotors, I noticed that I think it's camber arm, looks like a wet noodle. It's all bent. I'm pretty sure somebody welded it here. It probably broke, to be honest. I don't know. Look at the bushings all crooked, lopsided. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, but it definitely does not look like the the other side. But man, it's all bent, nasty. And to believe it though, this actually belonged to my brother-in-law. He had bought it salvage title from another. He drove it for a couple of years actually like that. So I'm surprised it didn't break while he was driving it, because looking at it, I'm like, man, that shit was about to snap. Other than that, everything looks good. No other issues. Maybe this shock needs to be swapped out. Look at all that residue. It could be from the chamber. It's leaking or something. Alright, let's go to the other side. But it's nice. It got aftermarket exhaust. It runs real good. Besides having that sag over there, and it had that wobble from the brakes. But the person that fixed it before on this brake pad, it's supposed to have these two retainers. It just had one. This was missing. I don't know what the fuck. But and then it has a little clip inside. They had put just a regular wire and twisted it together, and I'm surprised my brother-in-law didn't get in a wreck or something driving this. It's a death machine, man. So buying a salvage title, a lot of people don't recommend it, but if you get a good deal, just make sure you inspect it thoroughly. But as far as safety wise, brakes, rotors, brand new, done. Front suspension is done. No issues there. Back suspension, this camber arm, which they're hard to come by because these cars are discontinued, but I found a used set on OfferUp. I'm gonna pick up today for 40 bucks. I'll buy both just in case since they're hard to come by. And other than that, it runs good. Runs good. I'll keep y'all updated. I'm gonna keep updating this video, YouTube about this car. This is my other project. As y'all know, I already have a Trans Am in the back, which I'm gonna store for now and just start driving this one to work, cause people be denting La Mamalona over there. So we gotta keep that away from parking garages. So this is gonna be the work car, which, you know, make sure it's safe to drive, because now we got a little baby that we have to stay safe for. Alright, so next time I'll keep you updated.